Hello friends! Today, we're going to learn how to create glowing stars using Adobe After Effects with the CC Particle World effect. In our previous tutorial, we used ChatGPT to write prompts and generated visuals with the AI tool Piclumen. Now, we'll take one of those visuals and enhance it with a starry effect in After Effects. Let's get started. First, download the image you created using Piclumen. Open Adobe After Effects and drag your image into the project panel. Then, drag the imported image onto the timeline to create a composition. Go to the Layer menu, select New, Solid to add a new solid layer to the timeline. In the Effects and Presets panel, search for CC Particle World, then drag and drop the effect onto the solid layer. Now, let's adjust the settings. In the Effect Controls panel on the left, scroll to the Physics section under the CC Particle World effect. Set both gravity and velocity to 0. Under the Producer section, increase radius X and radius Y to spread the particles across the screen. In the Particles section, set particle type to star. Customize the color map to pick the colors you like. Adjust the particle size based on your needs. Once everything looks good, go to File, Export, Add to Render Queue. Choose your file format and output location. Hit Render, and your glowing stars video will be ready. Now, let's take a look at the final result together. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next tutorial. Until then, take care.